How to view system notifications from your TikTok inbox. If any day any of you are a TikTok user and you would like to view your system notifications from your TikTok inbox but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. That may be your data connection or your Wi-Fi connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to launch the very TikTok application on your mobile device. For that, you can tap on TikTok like this and TikTok will be launched on your very mobile device. After TikTok is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the option of inbox on your very mobile device. After you move to the option of the inbox on your mobile device, you have to wait for a while and then you can see the option of the system notifications. Now you have to tap on the option of the system notification. Now after tapping on the system notification, you can just see the various kind of notification. For example, grow your views with a photo post and grow your views with a photo post, and all of those. You can also go to the various option of the account updates, your screen time here, and this way you can access to the various kind of system notifications on your TikTok account with the help of your TikTok inbox. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.